Using a triangular shaped piece of paper, I'll be folding the top corner downwards. I'll flip over to the other side and I'll fold the right side upwards like so. Then this long edge will get folded over like this. You'll need to make 4 of these units. With the colour facing down, I'll make another 4 of these units. So I'll fold the top corner down, then I'll flip over to the other side. I'll fold the right side up. And then the long edge gets folded over. So take your time making those 8 units, and then when you're finished, take 2 of them. You'll see that I've got an edge overlapping one of the pockets here. So with that tip, this gets folded over, it gets tucked in, and then I'll flip over to the other side. The corner of the triangle gets slotted into a pocket which was created. So here I'm just going to tidy up this little tip that I've already folded, which gets tucked in, and basically you just keep slotting the units together like this. Here I've got 2 joined units together, so if you follow each corner that's sticking out, you can put all of these together in their retrospective pockets and keep tucking those other triangles in. So you'll see at the back there's a little gap in that triangle, so that sits neatly there, although I've forgotten to line up the front. So there's the tip which gets folded in. It's a bit of multitasking, so just be patient with it. I probably could have done myself a favour by putting this on the table, but for some reason I thought it would be much easier to do it in the air. So it's nearly there, I just need the last 2 units to put into place. Tidying up the last little few bits, and then that's done. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.